Once on there, to access the Discord, press Q&A Discord. If you need to sign up, press sign up and just follow the directions. And then it will now prompt you to either log in or down here, if you see, it says register, press register. And then it says enter a username, right? So let's make a username. You're going to confirm you're a human. And once you have been verified, it's going to actually prompt you to put in your birthday. Just put in your birthday. I'm just putting something random for now. And it says finish signing up. For you guys, just do that. I'm not going to do that personally. So now you have access to the channels of within the Showdown Discord. So we have an announcements channel where we're going to announce everything, all the information that is needed. We're going to have a welcome channel for where people join. We have an introduction channel where we're going to introduce such important things. And we're going to have a general Q&A section where you guys can just ask general questions to us.